This heating and cooling towel machine was gifted to me, and in this video I'd like to show you what comes in the box, how to use it, and share the things that I absolutely love about it, as well as the things that I wish were different. Okay, so here's what we had included in the box. We have our user manual, compressed towels, and of course we have our smart machine. Here's our water compartment. It fits about 16 ounces of water. What I really like about it is that it has this nice rubber seal all around the water tank. So when you close it, it stays nice and secure, and even if you tilt it, the water stays inside. There's no leakage or anything. So even if you have a small child that would accidentally tip it over, you can rest assured the water is gonna stay inside. If you need to move it from room to room, it has a handle so you can lift it up and take it with you. Right here at the front we have this button. This is where we put our towels, and we're gonna go ahead and place it upside down. We have 7 different temperatures to choose from. It goes all the way up to 185. The lowest one is 77 degrees, and if you want it to be even cooler, you can add ice cubes to the water compartment, and it's gonna stay cool for up to 5 hours. Like, how cool is that? When you are ready to get your towel out, you're gonna press and hold this start button, and the towel will automatically come out. And the towel is nice and toasty. I am like in love with this. And look how big this towel is. Like, this is pretty big. It also has a very nice scent to it, and look how strong this is. Like, I am pulling it like very hard, and this is very strong. This towel is absolutely amazing, made out of 100% cotton, big enough to be used as baby wipes, as a makeup removal wipes. It is perfect for summer, for winter, all year round. And we also have this very cute glow around the screen. So if you have small child and you are using for baby wipes, it has enough light to let you see the baby in a dark room without waking the baby up. So I think this is very nice. The only thing that I wish was different probably is I wish this was rechargeable, so I would be able to take it with me to the camp, because I just love it so much. Other than that, I think this is absolutely amazing product. I am in love with it. Totally recommend it.